In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on Bitunix. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then here on your dashboard, you want to go to the top and you want to select where you want to place a trade. You have futures, you have spot, and a bunch of different things. I'm just going to go to spot over here. The situation is pretty much going to be the same, and of course to place the order, it's going to be pretty much the same process. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is have some funds on your account. If you don't have them, go ahead and add some funds on there. And then you want to go and click on here, top left, to select what you want to trade. I'm just going to go with Solana USDT, but of course it's up to you to select whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to actually do this, how to press buttons over here on Bitunix. Again, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. This is just informational. This is not financial advice. So you want to select whatever you want to trade, and then from here on the right, you can see your trading panel. You have the buy and the sell buttons. Now, whenever you select if you want to buy or sell, here you can see market or limit, which is going to be your order type. So we have market order type, where of course you can buy at the current market price or sell. And of course the limit, which is going to allow you to buy or sell at a specific limit price. You're going to have to type it in here and you'll be good to go, okay? I'm going to go with market right now. Here you have to select the order value, so you can do it either in USDT or of course the other pair, which is of course trading right now. So I can do it in Solana or USDT. But if I change this to something like Bitcoin, I'll be able to do Bitcoin or USD. So again, it's completely up to you, whatever you are trading. I'm gonna go with 10 USD over here, and then you can of course add take profit and stop loss here as well if you want to by clicking on the check mark. And then here you can of course select what the take profit and stop loss are gonna be. You also have these advanced options over here where you can basically see like all about this, and you can confirm it if you want to. And then when you're ready, you can go and hit the buy or sell buttons, and that's really all you have to do to place a trade on Bitunix. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.